Alright, good luck. Single boxer, 2013 Leaf Best of Baseball did random divisions on this. Cali West has the AL East, Chew17 has the AL West, Justin Hunter fan with the NL East, Michael Donovan NL West and AL Central, and X1Say with the NL Central. In case this comes up, if we get like an old multiplayer card, say it's got 3 people on it, but the text on the top of the slab only refers to 1 player, we have taken a vote and decided that the card will go to whatever's on the slab, not necessarily all players that are on that card. So again, whatever name's on the slab is who the card's going to. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. 2 cards in this box. Hopefully the one on top is decent to get some more love spreading around here. Alright guys, thanks again for joining and best of luck. Alright, our first card is Minnesota. We got J.O. Berrios. He's a right-handed pitcher for Minnesota. 6 of 25, J.O. Berrios. Going to the Twins. Alright, and the big one. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully it's big anyway. It's going to be BGS. Wow, really? Triple threads? And it's fallen down. 2008 Triple Threads Relic Combos Autograph, Wright, Howard, and Pujols. Now this one, based on our rules, will actually go to the randomizer, so nice card. It's not great. We've got David Wright, Ryan Howard, Albert Pujols. And I said it would go to the randomizer, but if somebody owns more players or by division, then it'll go to them. So we'll figure that out in a sec. David Wright, Ryan Howard, Albert Pujols, triple auto. And what's this number 2? That thing's fallen up there, unfortunately. This is 27 of 36. Trevor says he has 2 out of the 3, so if that is correct, then Justin Hunter fan will be taking this bad boy home. 27 to 36. Mets, Phillies, Cardinals. There we go, right back into place. Super Breaks, thank you. Look at that, it's fixed. Thanks, Super Breaks, appreciate it. Boom. Alright, guys. Congrats, Justin Hunter fan. Thanks again, everybody.